What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to ping your YouTube videos or your blog posts in the search engines to start getting submitted by Google or Bing or any of the other webmaster tools that you are using. Okay, it's going to be really easy. There's only 3 websites to show you, so watch this video all the way till the end to see the 3 best tools that I use to do that for me. If you like videos of free softwares, downloads and tutorials, then subscribe to my channel or check out any of my older uploads, as they will all provide immense value to you in your online business. Okay, so first things first, you need to have the link or the URL of your blog post which you want to ping to get indexed by the search engines, or the URL of your video. Okay, so I'm just going to right click this video here which I uploaded last week, copy the link, and then the first tool I'm going to use is Duplichecker. Okay, so you come over to Duplichecker, just paste it right here, select your category. This is not business, it's educational, and then ping the URL now. Now this is going to take a while. Okay, so now it's 100% complete. As you can see, it took about 2 to 3 minutes to do so, and it pings all the search engines, okay, and also some other Google sitemaps for different countries as well. Okay, but now we are going to check out the second tool, which is a pre-post SEO, which also features a website a URL pinging function, so you can add up to 10 URLs with the pre-post SEO. I'm just going to do the one, so I'm just going to paste it right there, and again select the category, which is also education. Okay, then you're going to go down and select ping now. Okay, then it's going to give you the option here to ping all 50 plus Google search engines, Yandex, Bing, Yahoo, Blog People, and all the other search engines. I would leave all of that ticked, and then I will start the ping. Okay, so now this one's done. It was a little bit shorter, it only took you to 63 results, while the one on Duplichecker gave you actually a bit more. But what's great about this one, it does give you a report of all the web. It does give you a report of all the sites it pinged. Okay, so the third and final tool that I am going to use is going to be smallseotools.com, which also allows you to ping your websites and your URLs, your blog posts. So once again, just paste it right in there. You can also add up to 10 URLs or RSS URLs. I'm going to select education again, and then ping now. Okay, so it's all completed. With the small SEO tools, I had to refresh the page a couple of times in order for it to actually start pinging the URL. So in my point of view, I would say maybe that duplicate checker or pre-post SEO would be better, as the small SEO tools does serve you a ton of ads. Okay, so I would rather choose maybe duplicate checker, because I have been using duplicate checker for quite some time. Okay, it is actually never failed me. Small pre-post SEO actually does a really good job with actually giving you a view report. If you're actually doing this for customers, the view report could serve as a as proof that you have actually done your job. Okay, but that's all for me from today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it does actually help you, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share with your friends and communities who of like-minded people who are actually looking for tools like this to help them out. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.